welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can browse channels on Discord. So it only applies if there's a lot of people on that server and there's a lot, and I mean a lot of channels on the server. So you're going to select the browse channels here, and you can select the customize what's on your channel list so you see just the stuff you care about. So I basically just select the share a picture category, the chit chat one, and I think those are the only basically category that I care about. Where is the, hold on. And I'm also going to select hide voice channels as well. But if you wanted to show you can. So hide everything so it only shows the one that you selected. I also select join to create. And here you can basically just leave it as is so that when you want to go to those channels, you don't have to scroll. You can also search by typing. So here, if I select chit chat, it's going to show the channel that I want to select. And because the server has a ton of channels and categories, I think it is easier to use the browse channels feature. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!